Welcome, welcome my YouTube channel Manoj Point Lal. Okay, in this class I will talk about the blood pressure. Okay, very important topic. Each and every person to know about the blood pressure. First, I will discuss. I will explain from starting to ending. I will explain from A to Z about the blood pressure. Watch the video till end and I will get full information about the blood pressure. Okay, thank you so much. Don't time waste. Let's start the video. Okay, thank you so much. And first, you know that what is the meaning of blood pressure? Each and every human having a heart inside the body. Okay, when heart always had a contraction, this is consider it, this is the heart. Okay, this is the contraction position, this is the relaxation position. Contraction, relaxation, contraction, relaxation, contraction, relaxation. Okay, and always continue inside the body. Okay, when heart contraction, a pressure will increase, a pressure will create inside the artery. When heart relaxation, this is the relaxation, this is the contraction, this is the relaxation. When heart contraction, a pressure will increase inside the body, inside the artery. And when heart relaxation, a pressure will decrease inside the artery. Okay, the concept of a blood pressure. Contraction means pressure increase, and relaxation means pressure decrease inside the artery. Okay. Having a particular blood pressure, normal range blood pressure 120 by 80 mmHg. mmHg in this sentence, in this topic, mmHg is the unit of blood pressure. mmHg is the unit of blood pressure. What is the referring, what is the representing mmHg? mmHg means millimicrometer. Okay, millimicrometer, mmHg. Okay, the unit of blood pressure. And 120 is the upper reading of blood pressure, and 80 is the lower reading of blood pressure. 120 is the systolic blood pressure, and 80 is the diastolic blood pressure. Okay, watch the video till end. We will get fully information about the blood pressure. Okay, what is the meaning of blood pressure, and unit of blood pressure, and what is the systolic of blood pressure, what is the meaning of a systolic and a diastolic, and hypertension means, and hypotension means. Okay, thank you so much.